In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a template for Wix 2026. This process is a simple way to reuse a site design without changing your original live project. You will start by using your existing site as the base. Then you will duplicate it, rename the copy so it is easy to recognize, and finally open the duplicate in the Wix editor to make any adjustments you want in your template. To begin, open your Wix dashboard. Once you are in the dashboard, navigate to the Sites page. This is where Wix keeps all of your published sites and your site workspaces in one place. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the correct account in the correct dashboard, especially if you manage multiple Wix profiles. You want to be sure that the site you plan to use as your template base is visible here. Next, locate the site you want to use as your template base. Look through the list of sites and identify the one that already has the structure, design, and page style you want to reuse. If you have multiple similar sites, choose the one that represents your best starting point. This matters because the template you create will come from this site, so it is the foundation for everything you will reuse later. When you have found the correct site, you will see a three-dot icon next to it. Click the three-dot icon, which is sometimes labeled as More Actions. This menu is where Wix groups tools related to site management. Move slowly and make sure you click the three-dot icon for the specific site you selected, not another site in the list. On screen, you should see a small drop-down or menu appear after you click it. From that menu, select Duplicate Site. This action tells Wix to create a full copy of the existing site. Duplication is important because it gives you a separate version that you can edit freely without affecting the original site you chose as the base. After you click Duplicate Site, Wix may take a moment to generate the copy, so be patient and allow the system to complete the duplication process. Now you will rename the copy so it is clearly identified as a template. When the duplicate appears, choose a name that distinguishes it from your live projects, such as Template Master. A good naming convention helps you stay organized, especially as you create more templates over time. You are essentially creating a reusable starting point, so it should be obvious at a glance which sites are template versions and which are actual live websites. After renaming the duplicate, open this new copy in the Wix editor. This is where you will make any necessary adjustments to turn the duplicated site into a clean, reusable template. Depending on what you want to standardize, you might update branding elements, refine page layout, or make sure the content placeholders make sense for future use. The key point is that any changes you make now will become part of the template base you will reuse later. Once you are inside the Wix editor, review the site sections you plan to reuse. You want to ensure the design, navigation, and overall structure are consistent with the template you want. If something is too specific to the original live site, this is the time to adjust it so it works better as a general template. Take your time here and make sure the template reflects the reusable setup you intend to share or apply to future sites. And that covers everything you need to know. You start by opening your Wix dashboard, go to the Sites page, duplicate your chosen base site, rename the copy as your template master, and then open it in the Wix editor to make the necessary adjustments. That is all there is to it.